Having the right bag for your travel situation is like a mechanic having the right tool when trying to fix a car. But what do you do when you need to carry a suit or a dress for an occasion in a garment bag so it won't be wrinkled on arrival, as well as a duffel bag with the rest of your stuff? In this video, I'm going to share a straightforward budget solution to keep all of your stuff wear ready and in one bag, the Enzosum Garment Duffle Bag. Cue the intro. Welcome to Ronnie's World, where the intersection of travel, EDC, and tech meet. I'm the sole sponsor of this video. All products discussed will be linked below. If the link is used to purchase the product, the channel will make a small commission at no additional cost to you. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. So let's get into it. So let's go through the transition, changing this bag from a traditional duffel to a garment. It's very simple. All we're going to do is unzip and unclip each side of the bag. And voila, from garment to duffel. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and just pack this up. So what I have here, I have my suit, dress shirt, shoes, two outfits, two sets of underwear, and some workout clothes, okay? So this is just typical weekend. We're just gonna pack the bag. I'm gonna show you how much it can fit and show you how easy it is to pack it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and open it up. Fold it all out. At the very top, there's a hook right here, and that's what you're going to hook your suit to keep it from going all over the place. And there are some stay straps inside as well. So we're going to take the suit, going to fold the arms over, going to secure it to the inside hook. Tuck everything in. I'm going to use the stay straps to keep it locked in place. If I can find the strap. Then we're going to zip this up. Velcro this down, and as you can see, there are multiple interior pockets for anything you could actually want to put in here. But in this example, we're not going to do that. What we are going to do is, I'm going to show you, this is the shoe bag. So the shoes are going to come in. I'm going to put those in from the inside, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to zip this up to create the duffel. Takes a little bit of practice, but it is extremely doable. Okay, now there are two clips to bring the zippers all the way up on either side. This helps it maintain its duffel form. Okay. Now we have a duffel. That is the interior space that is still available to pack. Now, that being said, putting the shoes in will take some of that space up, but I'm going to show you how to compensate for that. So, shoes go in. And there's so much space in here, you could actually fit two pairs of shoes and be fine. So right under the shoes, I'm going to put my workout clothes. So I'm not losing any space in the bag. I'm also going to tuck in my undershirts. And my underwear. To save even more space, Go throw my socks and my shoes. Get those out the way. Now, full toiletry bag. 2 outfits. And now for the final zip. And there you have it. A fully packed weekend duffel bag. It does have a luggage pass-through, so if you are using this in combination with a carry-on bag at the airport per se, you can just sit this right on top of your carry-on and go ahead and roll it through. It does come with a shoulder strap, which attaches very easily. And voila, Enzosum Garment Duffle Bag, fully packed and ready to go for the weekend. All right, so that's a wrap on our look at the Enzosum Garment Duffle Bag. If you've got any questions about this bag, leave me a comment below. For the price, currently under $50 at the time of filming, I would say this is a great budget option against a half-day garment duffel, coming in at about 1/3 of the price with what I would consider similar build quality as well as materials. If you found value in this video, leave a like so YouTube will suggest it to others. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted when the next video drops. Follow me on Instagram at Ronnie's World 240 and on Facebook at Ronnie's World. I leave you now as I always do. Buy the bag, book the flight, take the trip. See you in the next video. Cue the outro.
These times